Hello, hi, it's Tommy Stewart again, in case you don't know, you forgot me. And today I'm going to be talking about Viddx, V-I-D-D-X, Viddx, which had been put together by a guy called Moish Barry and a couple of his friends. It's $27. It's available from today, the 15th of February. And it's quite a wonderful piece of software. Anyway, I'm going to have a look at it here and have a chat with you about it as we go through it. Viddx is a cloud-based software that allows you to profit from videos without the need to create videos or to use a website or drive traffic. What does it do? Quite wonderful, really, isn't it? Viddx gives you users the ability to legally hijack other people's videos, one or more, turn them into one video and do the selling for them. That is the other video to do the selling for the person who's done the hijacking, in case you get a bit mixed up there. It lets the user add multiple dynamic text / description / links under the video, and it can be set for how long they'll stay under the video. Now, that doesn't make an awful lot of sense to me, but maybe it does to you. You can read it and listen to what I say. This is what they say to me. Viddx lets users share the new video with social media and generate viral traffic. Viral traffic is pretty easy and obvious, as this kind of videos are very popular in the internet. Who's it for? Well, it's for someone who is tired of opening up PayPal to see big fat zeros. I think that means me as well, because I'm a newbie, and I admit to being a newbie. One of these days I won't be. Anyway, someone who needs to do something different to change their circumstances. That's me, perhaps it's you, and perhaps you'll do your changing with me together. This software is 100% newbie friendly, but also perfect to experienced marketers. Also perfect for experienced marketers. Your only requirement is to follow simple steps, step-by-step instructions, and use the cloud-based software. Watch this Viddx demo. I won't put it on, but there is a video there that you can switch on later, and it's all explained there. Now, to take a look at the funnel. Well, the funnel, the thing is, if you're going to be using it for yourself, okay. But if you're going to be selling it on to make money, then you'll be interested in the funnel. The OTO1 is $27, and I'm going to leave you to read that there, because it's going to take me too long if I start reading it. OTO2, $37, OTO3, $197, and OTO4, $57, and OTO5 is licensing rights for the lot. So you can sell all of this yourself and keep all the money instead of just raking in a 50%. You get all of it. Well, there you go. Now then, they have given you, I'll show you my free bonuses first of all, in reverse. And they have given you some bonuses. I'm not madly enthusiastic about their bonuses. I always like my own bonuses. Well, this is one of my bonuses here. And that piece of tartan there, by the way, is my Scottish tartan for my namesake, Stuart, being a Stuart, chieftain of the clans. Create profitability campaigns, part 1, traffic, Facebook ads, videos, 7s, by the way. 7 key steps to planning and launching a successful marketing campaign. how to create money-making Facebook ads, ad videos, and how to create insanely profitable Facebook ads for Amazon FBA products. Now then, those are my bonuses, and they all blend in with the theme of what you're learning here. Now let's see. That's that. There's something else here. I think, yes. Perhaps I can show you their bonuses here. Let me just have a look. Turn to turn. I'm sure their bonuses are here. Just a second. I'm sorry about this. They are here. Bonus number 1, ultra fast scratch to profit checklist. This handy checklist will help you get the fastest results possible. $395 value. Well, that's debatable, but there you go. This here is. Number 2, VIP Facebook community and coaching. Join our private FB group to network with other Freedom Profit members, coaches and experts. $297 that's costing. Now, I mean, I don't know if it is or it isn't, but I know that my bonuses, 4 of them, they're about $190 a piece for $700 and something value if you go with my bonuses. So there you go. You've got my 4 bonuses and their 2 bonuses. I've told you all about the OTOs, and if you look below here, you will see my name, Tommy Stewart, my VDU. If you click there, it will take you back to my bonus page where you can click on the video that's there and have a little listen to it and watch it as well. I've told you all about the bonuses, about all the OTOs. I think I've told you everything, other than, and I've explained it to you what this piece of software does. It really is a very powerful. I mean, I make lots of. I have to make lots of videos, and from what I can read here, if you're the same as me, having to make videos to promote stuff that you're affiliating, then it will be absolutely fantastic for you. So I'm leaving it with you. I hope you'll click on this whilst you're in my web space and buy it with me and make me no longer a newbie. I hope to hear from you again soon. Thank you very much, and bye bye. God bless you.